In today's video, we will be talking about how to add a promo code on the Kroger app. Watch until the end to learn more. Let's get started. Here are the steps to add a promo code when you shop on the Kroger app. First, obtain a shopper card from your nearest Kroger store. Then, download and launch the Kroger mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't already have an account, create one and add your shopper card number. If you have an account, simply sign in. Once you are logged into your Kroger account, navigate to the bottom of the app and click on Savings. Here you will see all available coupons. Browse through the coupons and filter them as needed. To use a coupon, simply clip it, and it will be automatically added to your linked shopper card. For online shopping, select all the items you want to buy and proceed to your cart. At the bottom right corner, click to check out, and all clipped coupons will be applied to eligible items. For physical shopping at a Kroger store, navigate to the top left of the app and click the 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down to Plus Card and scan the card details at the store checkout. All clipped coupons will be applied to eligible items. So there you have it. Follow these steps to apply promo codes or any coupons on your Kroger app. This process works for both online and physical shopping at the store. Thanks for watching.